Have you noticed lately that the distance between your favorite chair and the front door seems longer? Do your feet feel as cold as ice, even when you're wearing your thickest socks? Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you may be the most important health warning you'll hear this year. Poor circulation in the legs after the age of 60 is not just a sign of aging. It's a distress signal from your arteries, which have begun to narrow and stiffen. Studies confirm that poor blood flow triples the risk of falls and blood clots. But here's the surprise. There is a magic molecule inside your body that has been switched off, and we can switch it back on within hours. Not days, not weeks, hours. I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your blood vessels from the moment you take the first sip of our special protocol. I'll reveal the tongue key that even many doctors don't know about, and I'll rank the 10 most popular drinks from worst to best, so you'll know which ones are real and which are nothing more than marketing nonsense. Stay with me, because secret number 1 will give your feet a warmth tonight that you haven't felt in decades. To understand the solution, you first need to understand the silent disaster happening inside you right now. After the age of 60, your body reduces its production of a molecule called nitric oxide by as much as 70%. Imagine nitric oxide as the oil that prevents rust inside your home's pipes. Without it, your arteries shrink, become stiff, and your blood changes from a freely flowing liquid into a thick fluid struggling to reach your toes. The medical establishment will tell you to take aspirin and elevate your legs, but that's like putting a bandage on a deep wound. They treat the symptom. We're here to treat the root cause, bringing nitric oxide back to life through basic biochemistry supported by more than 3,000 clinical studies. Drink number 10, plain water, the overlooked foundation. Let's start with water. Everyone says, drink more water. Yes, dehydration makes your blood as thick as molasses, slowing circulation. But here's the shocking truth. Water alone does nothing for circulation after 60. A study in the Journal of Physiology found that hydration improved blood flow by only 8%. Why? Because water contains no nitrates to open the arteries. It protects you from collapse, but it doesn't give you healing. Drink number 9, green tea, the slow hero. Green tea is promoted as a miracle. Yes, it contains catechins that improve arterial function, but the results take 12 weeks to appear. We're talking about a man who wants to walk confidently today, not 3 months from now. Worse yet, the caffeine in tea may cause blood vessels to constrict in some people, destroying the benefit. And if you use boiling water, you've killed half the benefits instantly. Drink number 8, cherry and pomegranate juice, the fancy sugar trap. These juices are rich in antioxidants, that's true. Pomegranate juice may reduce arterial plaque by 30% over the course of a year. But did you read the label? 1 glass contains 32 grams of sugar. Sugar raises insulin, and elevated insulin causes inflammation in the arteries. You're helping one organ and damaging another. This is an expensive and risky option for people with diabetes. Drink number 7, raw cocoa drink, the forgotten gold. I'm not talking about hot chocolate loaded with sugar. I'm talking about pure cocoa powder. The flavonols in cocoa significantly increase nitric oxide, and the effect begins within just 2 hours. You'll feel warmth in your legs, but the bitter taste causes many people to quit. If you're going to try it, use stevia as a sweetener. Otherwise, you'll raise your blood sugar and damage your arteries all over again. Drink number 6, watermelon juice, the citrulline pump. Watermelon is packed with an amino acid called L-citrulline. Your body converts this amino acid directly into nitric oxide. Studies show a 28% improvement in arterial function. The problem? It's a seasonal drink, and it's difficult to find high-quality watermelon year-round. Still, it's an excellent option for anyone looking for fast results during the summer. Drink number 5, hibiscus tea, the budget warrior. This drink is criminally underrated. Hibiscus reduces arterial stiffness and lowers blood pressure by 11 points. One study found that blood flow improved by 31% in just 10 days. The secret lies in the anthocyanins that restore flexibility to vessel walls. Drink 2 cups a day, and you'll notice the heaviness in your legs beginning to disappear, as if you've removed weights that were tied around your ankles. Drink number 4, celery juice, the nitrate magic. Forget the celery juice craze on social media. Science says it's a nitrate gold mine. 1 glass provides 250 milligrams of nitrates, enough to open your arteries like highways within just 3 hours. But be careful. The salty, earthy taste may not appeal to everyone, and it requires a juicer and daily cleanup. Drink number 3. Arugula smoothie, the green bomb. Arugula is the uncrowned king of leafy greens. Pound for pound, it surpasses everything else in nitrate content. When you blend 2 cups of arugula with blueberries, you're not only improving circulation, you are also protecting the nerves in your legs from the nerve damage caused by oxygen deprivation. Viewers report noticeable improvements in the color and texture of their leg skin after only 2 weeks. Why? Because oxygen is finally reaching the furthest parts of the body. Drink number 2. Beet juice, the absolute king. This is where all the research comes together. Beet juice increases blood flow by as much as 50% within 2 hours. In a study conducted at the University of Exeter, researchers found that older adults who drank beet juice daily for 15 days reduced arterial stiffness by 38%. You'll feel genuine warmth. Nighttime cramps will stop. Your ability to walk will improve. But wait, why do some people drink it and get no results? That's where secret number 1 comes in. Drink number 1. The secret isn't in beet juice alone, it's in activating it. For beet juice to work, it needs a chemical key. First, the tongue key. Healing doesn't begin in your stomach. There are beneficial bacteria on your tongue that convert nitrates into nitrites and then into nitric oxide. If you use a strong mouthwash or a chemical toothpaste, you're killing these bacteria and completely destroying the effect of the drink. Second, the vitamin C key. Nitrates need an environment that prevents oxidation. When you add a squeeze of fresh lemon to beet juice, you ensure that 100% of the benefits reach your arteries. Third, the biological clock timing. Drink this mixture, 8 ounces of beet juice plus lemon plus a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon on a completely empty stomach first thing in the morning. This is the time when your receptors are at their peak hunger for raw materials. You are not broken, and your legs have not failed you. You are simply missing the right raw materials. Your circulation can be repaired, and your independence in movement is one of the most valuable things you own. The 30-day challenge starts now. Drink the protocol tomorrow morning and write the word truth in the comments as a commitment to yourself and your body. Come back after 1 week and tell us how the texture of your feet and the warmth in your legs have changed. Don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend who is suffering in silence. This link may be the signal they've been waiting for. I'll see you in the next video.